be the biggest pub. We couldn't get served, we couldn't buy no grub. 6 quid for a double short is more than twice the price of drinks I've bought. Same again for Red Bull and Spirit. There's got to be a rip-off, hasn't it? £3 a pint, well maybe in London, but here in Wales it's gonna get frowned on. 15 quid for a cheesy pizza is hardly a price that is going to please you. I'm sure it's a different story if you're in a band with whatever you want from a rider at hand. For us, your fans, will flock to fill the floor. Paying prices like these would leave us very poor. Now I appreciate, Nicky, that you've been on the wagon, so perhaps you don't know how much it costs for a flagon. James and Sean both count booze amongst their vices. They wouldn't have been happy paying extortionate prices. Ben Hughes were too much for many. Even if you had the money, you couldn't spend any. When the midnight chimes sounded, many were still sober, many more still were when it was all over. Complaints are flooded in to the local press, for the catering was certain to depress. Yes, the prices we were charged was taking the piss, and the masses would be foolish if they tolerate this.